In today's life it happens very often that kitchen disposal won't work anymore. Very often it could be easily fixed by checking the power switch itself. In this case we can see that the power switch is all rusty and oxidized from the inside. The power switch needs to be replaced. It costs only $2.47 in Home Depot. It could be very easily checked. Do you have a faulty power switch? You need to disconnect these two wires, electrical wires, and plug the bulb. If you don't see the light, it means that you have a faulty power switch. So, before deassembling your disposal from the sink, the first thing that you need to check is to check the fuses in the garage. You have to check these buttons. This is the same fuses and one of them could be stripped. If they fine, you have to check, you have to connect the bulb to disposal itself.